Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok Trader Joe's pizza, so let's get started with the video. Begin by taking a Trader Joe's flatbread pizza crust and placing it on a tinfoil lined baking sheet. Then coat the flatbread in a bit of olive oil. Next, add some garlic spread. Then evenly spread it with a spatula. Next, add some tomato pesto and spread it out evenly. Then add some hot chili pepper paste. Now we're going to add some marinated fresh mozzarella balls and burrata. Tear the burrata into pieces and place it on the flatbread. Then add the marinated mozzarella balls. I cut the mozzarella in half and then placed it on the flatbread. Next, add some prosciutto, and finally add some pepperoni. When you're finished, place it in the oven at 425 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. While the pizza is cooking in the oven, prepare the arugula. Add some of the marinated mixture from the marinated mozzarella balls to the arugula. Toss the arugula in that mixture until it is well coated. Once the pizza is finished cooking, let it cool for about 5 minutes and then add the arugula on top. After adding the arugula, all that's left to do is to drizzle some balsamic glaze on top and you are all finished. By the way, I just want to let you know that I got most of the ingredients for the pizza from Trader Joe's. The only thing I didn't get from Trader Joe's was the arugula. And this is the finished result. This pizza is absolutely delicious and really easy to make. I totally understand why this pizza went viral because it is so good. I highly recommend. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!